Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a public channel in WhatsApp. We'll go through the entire process, from the very first step of finding the channels section to sharing your new channel with your audience. This guide will help you set up a powerful communication tool, allowing you to broadcast messages to an unlimited number of followers. It's a straightforward process, and by the end, you'll have a fully functional public channel ready for your content. To begin, open your WhatsApp application and look for the Updates tab, usually found at the bottom or top of your screen. Once there, you'll see a Channels section. Tap the plus sign right next to it. From the options that appear, choose Create Channel. You'll then be prompted to review and accept the terms and conditions, which is a quick and necessary step before moving forward with your channel creation. Now it's time to personalize your channel. First, give your channel a memorable name, ideally under 25 characters, that reflects its purpose. Next, upload a profile picture or icon that represents your brand or topic. Finally, write a concise description, no more than 255 characters, explaining what your channel is about. After reviewing these details, tap Create Channel to publish it, making it visible to the public. Once your channel is live, you can start inviting followers. Tap on your channel name to access channel info, where you'll find the share option. You can copy the link and share it across social media, email, or other messaging apps. Remember to post engaging content regularly, whether it's text updates, photos, or videos, to keep your audience informed and growing. You are now ready to manage your very own public WhatsApp channel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.